change power settings, advanced power settings, sleep. Okay, if you see the hybrid sleep is disabled, and you want to turn that on, because this is Windows default, it's disabled by default, so you want to have this on to be able to stop the battery drain when the laptop is off. So let's turn it on. Okay, I'll show you how to do it. Close that. We're gonna find the command cmd, run it, type this in. Okay, so this is going to give us a system power report, and I'm going to show you how that it's actually fixed the problem. So click on that. Okay, the report's been generated. So we open that location there. Okay, system 32. Okay, it's already there. If it's not there, all you got to do is click this. Click this date modified, and should come up at the top. Okay, let's look at the shutdowns. As you can see, when I fixed it up, my shutdown has been 37 hours, and there wasn't any battery drain at all. I can prove this to you. Okay, so ignore this one and this one. That one is actually my battery capacity. So what you want to look at is the first one. When we started the sleep, this one here, that's the battery capacity. And when I turn the computer back on, or we finish the sleep, it's the same capacity, you know. So it's actually been fixed now, you know. And let me show you how to turn on the hybrid sleep now. Close that. So to be able to turn on hybrid sleep, I'm going to type this in. This is going to give us now all the sleep states available on the PC. Okay. So if you can see here, so far I haven't got hybrid sleep. Only got standby S3 and fast startup enable on this PC. And to enable hybrid sleep, Windows by default it's got a small size file for hybrid file. Hybrid file is small size. So what you need to do, you actually need to make the hybrid file full size. Okay. So if we type this in here again, question H. Okay. So these are the example what we can do here. You know, if you type this in power CFG, you can turn it off, hibernate, or you can set the particular size you want. You want to set it 100% the size of your memory, or you want to type it reduced or maybe full. You know, and at the moment it's reduced. So I can show you that in this one here. Open a registry. And if you look at here, hybrid file type is number 1. That means it's reduced, and that means hybrid sleep is not going to work. So we have to change this one to 2, but not here. We're gonna do it over here. Type this in H, type, and we want full size for the hybrid file, full, and now it's been changed. It's gone bigger. Okay, so if we go back here, look at the numbers. The number has just changed. Okay, hybrid file type, it's changed to number 2. So now we got bigger hybrid file, and now the sleep should be enabled. If you look at it in the power settings, okay, we look up there, sleep, and it's on, okay, and that's all you need to do. But keep in mind, if you got Intel laptop, you might have to go into BIOS, and you have to disable Intel virtualization, okay, otherwise it's not going to work. So this is AMD laptop, and I don't have to do anything in BIOS, but I'm just telling you guys if you got Intel PC, you have to go into BIOS and you have to actually disable the Intel virtualization and then do all these steps that I show you now, and then the problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.